Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your front brake pads on this 2008 Chevy Impala. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First thing that we need to do is break loose our lug nuts, jack up our vehicle, and then we'll take our lug nuts and our wheel off. Use a 13mm socket to remove this bolt right here and this bolt right down here. Use something to pry right in here and pry your caliper out. Once you have your caliper off, I've got a hanger right here that I made out of a piece of wire. But just hang your caliper right up here on the hanger or hang it off to the side somewhere. Now we have access to our old pads here, and we're just going to pull them out just like this. If they're stuck in there a little bit, you can stick a screwdriver or something in here and just pry them out. I have this caliper piston pressing tool right here that I got online. I'll have this link down below where you can get this online. But we're just going to take this piece, the right-handed thread, and number 3 right here. You're going to put this piece around here, and then it sits right in here. Number 3 sits on here, and then you're just going to start turning this. Sometimes they press a little bit harder than this, but this will just push the piston back into the caliper here. We're going to do both sides. If you start pressing one side in and it starts pushing the other side out, then you can take one of your old brake pads here and just set it right in here like this and press on it, and it'll push them both in at the same time and help hold the other one from pressing out. Make sure these boots don't get caught or kinked or twisted and rip. When they're all pressed in and bottomed out, they'll look about like this. Now we're going to take our slide pins out. So just kind of twist and pull. Be careful you don't rip these boots. So you can just kind of pop this boot out here like this. And then you can just twist and pull this until it comes out. This is what that pin will look like. Make sure it's got that little rubber seal on the end there. And then also take out the bottom slide pin down here. Pull the boot off from both of these. I've got this brake and caliper grease here. You can get this online. Also, I'll have it linked below. We're going to coat our slide pins with it. Then you want to stick your boot back on your slide pin like this, and then coat your slide pin with the grease. There we go. We've got it coated with grease. If your old slide pin is really coated with a really dry grease, you want to scrape and clean that off before you recoat it with grease. But now we're just going to slide our slide pin back into the slide there. Just kind of twist it and work that grease around. Kind of twist like that and push, and that boot will get back into that ridge right there. You want to make sure that it's sealed all the way around, and do that for both pins. Now I've got these new brake pads with the new hardware here. I'll have these linked down below where you can get them online. So we're just going to take our new hardware and replace them back onto the caliper bracket here. You want to make sure that these are seated all the way down and tight. If you need to, just take something, place it right here, and just tap on it to drive it all the way down. Got our new brake pads here we're going to install. So these are directional. The wear indicators, you want those to be down. So we are going to take this and press it in like that. And then you can bring it back here and push it in right there. If you need to, you could take an extension or something and tap it with a hammer to get it to slide underneath there and seat correctly. So that's what it looks like when it's seated correctly. They're both inside the tabs there. Do the same thing for the inside one. Wear indicator on this one also goes down. Once we've got our brake pads replaced like that, we're just going to take our caliper, place it right back on here. Now we just replace our bolts in the back side of here that go into the slide pins. I like to put a little bit of grease or anti-seize on those just for next time. They'll come apart a little bit easier. Go to your other side, do your other side. And then this is very important. When you're done doing the other side, get in your vehicle, press your brake pedal until your brake gets hard, because you have pushed the caliper all the way out and it's not pinching tight on the rotor just yet. So you have to go in there and step on the pedal to push the pistons back out until they get seated onto the rotor. If you found this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.